Basically, today we have just inaugurated the classes for practicals in food production for females, the ladies, that is the girls from the age of 21 to 30. What I have observed in my personal life, that most of the girls today don't know to cook. This is because a lot of time is wasted in studies. Because right from the young days till they become postgraduate, they waste their time in studies. So they don't get opportunity. So I have decided to educate these young girls so that they will able to cook for themselves, for their husband once they get married, for the family, and make their life happy. Instead of buying things from outside, it is advisable that they should learn. So I request all the girls, especially from Porvorim area, so they don't have to spend a lot of money in traveling. That is the purpose. The people can't afford to spend 100, 200 rupees on traveling. So people from Porvorim area should reach my office between 9:30 and learn with the chef Roy, chef Sanyal, and learn from them the best way of cooking, the different methods of cooking of Goan items especially, so that they will not have problem anywhere in their life during cooking. Even basic thing they must learn, how to cook, what are the items that are required, and timing is from 9:30. The classes of practical will start at 10. It will get over by 5 or 5:30. In a full day you have to be over here. So I request especially people from Porvorim, the girls from Porvorim, please join without paying any rupee, not even 1 rupee you have to pay. Everything will be provided by the institute. The apron, the cap, everything given free. And you just learn and be successful in your life. Because some of them may turn up to be entrepreneur also. Some of them may take up a job also in hotel industry. It is very easy that learning is in process. It has to go on a continuous basis. This will remain open till April. Every week there will be 15 girls coming over here for studying purpose from tomorrow. And once 1 week goes over, the second week starts. Everybody will be given a gift like this. When they join, they should be very happy to take the gift also, because it is very important that they must know what they have learned. They have learned, this is the basic document that is required, instrument that is required while learning. So everybody will be given one set when they go after completion of course. Thank you.
कितलीशी वर्सां आमी आयकता तांचे बद्दल, तांची एन इन्स्टिट्यूट जे हांगा चलता, जातून कितलेशे शेकड्यांनी आय वूड से हजारांनी हे अशे हांगा शिकणारे पाकशास्त्र कलिनरी हे सगळे शिकून गेल्यात एंड दे मस्ट बी आज ताका जॉब्स मेळ्ळा. वेन यू लर्न हियर तुमकां खंय ना खंय आज ह्या हॉटेल वेवसायाक खूब व्हडलें नांव आसा. यू नो भायर वतात देशा भायरय बी खूब, आनी पर्टिक्युलरली द शेफ्स फ्रॉम गोवा आर रियली ऑनर्ड because Goan food is honored. The way you cook is honored. Maybe you are learning everything here, but Goan foodake खासियत आसा. So they are all honored outside. आणि आज they are म्हणजे बरेच बरे पैसे जोडून तांणी आपले संसार उबारिल्ले आमी पळयता. सो दिस इज नॉट अ निग्लेक्टेड प्रोफेशन. अशें न्ही की शेफ म्हणजे ना, नॉट एट ऑल. आज हांव सुद्दां रुचीक कार्यक्रम करून मालिका करून 500 एपिसोड्स आज गोंयांत इतलें देवान नांव केलां म्हजें. सो आय कॅन टेल यू, तुम्ही तुमचे यू पोर युअर हार्ट इन दीस अँड तुम्ही एक तुमचं बिझनेस करा, तुमचं प्रोफेशन फुडें व्हरा. ताका रिस्पेक्ट आसा ह्या प्रोफेशनाक. आय टेलिंग यू, आज डॉक्टर नागवेकारा कडेन बरे बरे शेफ्स आसात. तुमकां हांगा दिसता मिस्टर सल्याल इतलो एक्सपर्ट, ताजे बद्दल आतांच हांवें आयकलें. आनी वेगळे वेगळे चॅनलाचेर तो आपले प्रोग्राम्स करता आनी तो तरेतरेचे म्हणजे तो सगळ्याच तरेचे तुमकां जेवण शिकयता. अशे तरेचे मनीस ताजे कडेन आसा. दे इज वन शेफ. आणि तुमकां सांगता की आमचो डॉक्टर आनंद नागवेकार नॉट ओन्ली अ प्रोफेशनल, तो एक एक्टर, तो तियाट्रिस्ट. हांवें तांचें पळयलां. आनी दुसरें अत्यंत म्हत्वाचें म्हणजे तो एक फिलोनॉथ्रॉपिस्ट. सगळ्याक कितें फक्त आपले जोडले, आपल्याकच मोडले, ही डजंट बिलीव इन दॅट. तो आपले जोडिल्ले पयशे जे कोण गरजूवंत आसात, निडील लोक आसात, जे लोकांक खुबश्या कडेन पयशे नासता, अशे वेळार तो सामको सहजपणान तो अशें तांकां मदत करता, डोनेट करता पयशे. आनी हांवें तांचें पळयलां ही ऑल्सो एनकरेजीस तियाट्रिस्ट. तियात्रांत कितले तो सगळे हांव कितलेशाच कडेन आयकलां तो न्ही कितें तो मदत करता अशें तांची उतरां हांवें आयकल्लीं आसात. आनी अशे तरेचो एक मनीस आमचे मदीं आसा आनी तुमी हो फायदो घेवचो. हो अशे कोर्सीस करता. खुबश्या भुरग्यांनी, खुबश्या गर्ल्स चलयांनी हे शिकचे आनी तांच्या बरेपणाचो फायदो घेवचो. तुमकां यू वील रियली हॅव अ ग्रेट फ्युचर